Hey guys, so Ramani wanted to try one of Crumbl's cookies for the week. So which one did we get?
Biscoff Cheesecake.
It looks good. Hope it tastes good. Let's find out. Oh, it's hard. I don't want to do the box.
You did move to the box.
Hello?
Bon appetit. It's good. Okay.
It's good.
Okay. It's okay. I taste honey like a graham cracker instead of like Biscoff, but I mean it's better than the cookies. Okay. So what would you rate it?
A 10 out of 10.
A 10 out of 10?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Rate it.
I would give it about a 7 out of 10 because it didn't taste like Biscoff cookies. It actually tastes like graham crackers with honey, but the cheesecake part was really, really good. So I would eat it again.